Yo, yo, yo! Today I'm showing how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. This is the Roblox script that is taking the internet by storm. So what you want to do is go to this site, hexmods.com. They have tons of modded apps on this site. Go to the search bar and type in Delta. Now my internet is being really slow, but it should come up. So there it is, Delta Executor, guys. Press on it and you can see this is the Delta Executor page. We're going to press the download button and the Delta Executor will start downloading. So now we're just going to wait for it to download, guys. So I'm just going to give it a second here, as you can see. All right, so let's just let it do its thing. Now before it downloads the Delta Executor onto our device, guys, there is one more step. It's a verification. So before you can install Delta Executor, you're going to have to download 2 apps, and you need to complete the instructions that are on the app. Now, unfortunately, as I said, my internet sucks, so for some reason, I cannot load the page after this, but I'm going to be patient and it will load. But I'm just going to let you know, it probably will not be as slow as it is for me, as it is for you. So basically, this is the final step of the process to get the Delta Executor. So let's just wait for it to load up and I will show you guys how to do it. It's really simple. I've already done this thing. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. Thanks for supporting our platform. And it shouldn't really look like this. It's like a glitchy page. So let's see if I could get it to reload. It would look a lot better, but there's 4 apps here. You can see like TikTok downstall, run for 30 seconds, Swagbucks install, complete the first 2 games. So just do whatever apps you see, guys, and you will be good to go. There's going to be lots of apps on here, so if you see different apps, like, it's totally fine. But after you download 2 of the apps, you will be facing a reinstallation thing. So as you can see, we got like TikTok down, run for 30 seconds, WGT Golf, reach level 10. So just press tap to install. It will bring you straight to the App Store, guys. And you just got to download the app. And then whatever those instructions were that it said to complete, go ahead and complete them, guys. Like, you don't have to be a Dark Master. You don't have to be a legend. But you just want to make sure that you guys are, like, completing the instructions on the apps. So yeah, you can see it says complete 2 free app surveys from our partner list to finish installing. So after you do that, the Delta Executor should download. So as you can see, we can talk to it and it tells us like the best way. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. So yeah, if you guys are poor and you don't have like an Android phone or whatever, you can still install Delta on your iPhone. So I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.